Every 12 or 19 years, under the cover of night, a ritual takes place in Puri that even the priests whisper about in hushed tones. The sacred idols of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, and Subhadra are completely replaced. The event is called Nabakalebara, meaning new body. In this rare ritual, the old idols are buried, and new ones are created from a sacred neem tree known as Daru Brahma. But not just any tree will do. The chosen tree must have no bird nests, no cracks, and must bear symbols like a conch or chakra. When the time comes, a secret team of priests, known as the Jaganath, begins the transition. But here's the strange part. No outsider is allowed to see the ritual. Even temple staff are forbidden. The transfer of Brahma Padartha, the divine life force, is done in total darkness, blindfolded, so that even the priests themselves never see what they carry, with hands wrapped in cloth. Why? Because tradition says even the touch of bare skin could disturb the divine energy. Some priests, who have taken part in this secret ritual, have spoken of something astonishing. It feels alive, they say. It pulses, like a beating heart, as if what they carry is not a symbol, not wood, not stone, but something living, something aware. The old idols are not discarded. They're buried within the temple premises in a sacred cemetery known as Koili Vaikuntha. It's not death, it's transformation, a divine rebirth in keeping with the cycles of the cosmos. Why the secrecy? Some believe the energy within the idols is too powerful for ordinary eyes. Others say it's to maintain the sanctity of the divine soul's journey. Legends speak of those who tried to witness it, never being the same again. And then, from darkness comes celebration. The new idols emerge, and the world rejoices in the grand Rath Yatra. The gods have returned, renewed and reborn, a ritual beyond logic, a secret beyond sight, and a mystery that continues to live within the beating heart of Puri.